How to copy Twitter profile link on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the Twitter application on your phone. You are now in the Twitter homepage. Here, you can explore and view posts from friends and pages that you follow on Twitter. Scroll down and open any page or profile from here. If you want to share this profile, then go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Here, tap on Share to open the share sheet. From the share sheet, select Copy Link to Profile. Now, go back and open up the Notes app. Tap on the new note icon at the bottom right. Over here, paste the link you just copied. You can now visit the profile by clicking on this link. Following these steps, you can easily copy Twitter profile link on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.